the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has now announced a significant amendment to the National Highways fee. Now, these are, of course, rules that are now going to benefit private vehicle owners. According to the new notification that's been issued by the government, essentially, private vehicle owners will not incur any charges for traveling up to 20 kilometers on highways and expressways per day if their vehicle is equipped with the GNSS. So essentially, Road Transport Ministry announcing a key amendment, no toll tax under the new GNSS base scheme. So if you have the new GNSS or your vehicle is in fact wired, then you will not have to pay any toll for distances within 20 kilometers, and for distances exceeding 20 kilometers, fees of course will be based on the actual distance travel. Now Tanushka Datta joins us live from the Delhi Faridabad toll. Tanushka, several people traveling even within, say Delhi NCR for instance, are subjected to daily tolls because that's how, that's how distances really work in a big city like Delhi or even so many other cities across the country for that matter. So this is a huge relief in a certain sense to private vehicle owners.
Not just private vehicle owners, but also primarily the catch here is that private vehicles that have a functional global navigation satellite system installed within their vehicles, that is the GNSS system, will now make these toll plazas that are known to be such heavy traffic focal points in across Delhi NCR. I am currently at the Delhi Faridabad toll plaza, wherein as you can see the morning traffic is not much right now, but once the office rush hours begin, that is when the prime time toll traffic will increase entirely. And with these new rules that have been issued as per the National Highways fees rules of 2024. These are the amended rules, and as per these rules, up to 20 kilometers private vehicles that have the GNSS system functional installed in their vehicles will not have to pay toll. And now this will enable a user experience that will be smoother on roads. And also what we understand from the GNSS system is that it is an accurate calculator of the distance traveled. Therefore, it's a fair measure of toll collected. So now users who have the GNSS system within their private vehicles will be allowed to travel toll-free up to only 20 kilometers, and after that it will be pay as you use. So after beyond the 20 kilometer point, the GNSS will itself calculate the distance traveled, and as per that you will have to pay the toll that will be charged. And this is for drivers, owners, anyone who's in a private vehicle who has the GNSS system installed within their vehicles. And these are as per this comes in a new notification by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. And what we're also understanding from this is that this has been a pilot project which was tested out in highways in Bengaluru as well as in parts of Haryana. So this will be applicable for private vehicle owners, not just on highways but also on expressways up to the 20 kilometer mark, provided that you have a functional global navigation satellite system installed within your vehicle.